Tamil Nadu and Jallikattu are both in news because of a mass movement going on at Marina Beach, Chennai, and millions of Tamils are on the streets protesting about the Jallikattu ban. So guys, what is this turmoil all about?
I spoke about the Jallikattu ban. So what is this ban about? The ban is imposed by the Supreme Court of India. And why this ban was imposed by Supreme Court of India? It was because an appeal was filed from PETA, India, against the Jallikattu Regulation Act 2009, passed by the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. The court found that these sports are unconstitutional as per Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. As per this act, there was violation of Section 3 and Section 11, subsection 1A and M. Section 3 states that it is the duty of every person who is in charge of any animal to provide care and ensure well-being, and also to prevent any pain and suffering caused to the animal. Section 11 states that it is an offence if any person beats, kicks, overrides, overdrives, overloads, tortures or otherwise treats any animal to cause pain or suffering. Along with these, the Supreme Court also states that it is the fundamental duty of every citizen of India to protect wildlife and to have compassion for all living creatures. Let us see some of the states of India where bull or buffalo sports events are organized or celebrated. The first in the list is Dhirio Goan bullfighting. The second in the list is Kambala buffalo racing in Karnataka. Third in the list is Jallikattu, which is bull embracing, which comes from Tamil Nadu. We have bull cart racing in Punjab and buffalo fighting in Madhya Pradesh as well. So, after the verdict of Supreme Court of India, all these sports events were found to be violating the PC Act of 1960. So, what exactly makes Jallikattu different from all the other sports? And what exactly is Jallikattu? Jallikattu is a Tamil word comprising of two words, Jalli or Sali meaning coin and Kattu meaning tied. So, coin tied to a bull which the bull tamers under the age of 25 tries to untie by embracing the hump of the bull. The regional term for Jallikattu is called Eru Tajvuttal, meaning embracing a bull, where Eru stands for bull and Tajvuttal stands for embracing. Eru Tajvuttal is celebrated during Pongal, especially on the occasion of Mattu Pongal. Mattu Pongal is a Thanksgiving day for all the cattle. So is there any history behind this tradition? Let's see forward. Karikayur, situated about 45 kilometers from Kotagiri town. The bulls, originally painted in X-ray fashion in white kaolin, later painted in red ochre, were found. The Karikayur paintings are datable between 2000 BC and 1500 BC. The ancient Tamil poetry known as Sangam literature between 2nd BCE and 2nd CE has many detailed references to Eru Tajvuttal, that is hugging the bull. Another single painting discovered in a cave at Kalutumetupatti, about 35 km west of Madurai, between Madurai and Dindingul highway. It shows a lone man trying to control a bull. This painting is estimated to be about 1500 years old. The painting was originally done in white kaolin. This protest also has the purpose of highlighting the endangered species of indigenous Indian bulls, especially the Tamil bulls. There are 6 native breeds of Tamil Nadu. Alambadi is almost extinct. Bargur is endangered. Kanagyam and Pulikulam, also known as Jallikattu, is in the endangered list of bulls. Umbalcheri and Vechur are the other left species. There are other data which also supports the protesters. Over 1 million Kanagyam bulls in 1990. The population has fallen to 15,000 now. Cow to bull ratio has gone below from 4:1 to 8:1. With the advanced machinery and development in the field of agriculture, use of bulls has declined over the years. With Jallikattu, the bulls are taken care with the purpose to win the prize of the strongest bull. The winner will be used to inseminate the cows, and the price for insemination depends on the species of bull. What is the stand of PETA on Jallikattu and other such events? PETA states that under Article 48 of the Constitution of India, the state has to endeavour to preserve and improve the breeds and prevent slaughter of cows and calves and other draught and milk cattle. The other perspective of PETA is that these sports are not at all safe, and safety has to be ensured through animals as well as human beings. It states that from 2010 to 2014, at least 1,100 people have been injured and 17 people have lost their lives so far. The bulls are subjected to abject cruelty, being beaten, having irritants rubbed into their mouths, being yanked by nose ropes, and even served alcoholic beverages. At the end of all these events, the weaker ones and the injured ones are sold to slaughterhouses. Cruelty is not limited to just slaughter. We need to understand that animals do not have to suffer for mere human entertainment. No cruelty and suffering is guaranteed on the ground of traditional sentiments. What if people start protesting to legalize child marriages and sati pratha? What are the protesters' views? Keep Jallikattu separate from rest of the sports associated with bulls and buffaloes, because as per them, this is not a bullfighting or a bull racing. It is not a sport but a tradition and emotional association of farmer to its cattle. The offspring from the winner bull are stronger, more resistant to diseases and able to produce higher quality milk. The number of accidents are close to 100 and 150 per year, with almost negligible amount of deaths. There is one group which would benefit if the indigenous bulls are extinct. They are the international dairy industries. There are two kinds of protein found in milk, which is A1 and A2. A2 is regarded as more beneficial than A1. A1 causes some of the chronic diseases like diabetes. In India, there are around 37 native breeds which produce milk with A2 protein majority, but there used to be 150 a century ago. There are countries like US, Australia, Denmark and New Zealand which export their A2 dominant semen for artificial insemination, and these methods are quite expensive for the farmers of India. So certainly, if the species are extinct, these agencies and these countries are the ones who are going to be more benefited. So is there any feasible outcome or solution from this? Amendment of Jallikattu Regulation Act 2019 of Tamil Nadu to enhance its effectiveness. Strengthened laws from the state and the center to ensure punishment to the violators. Assurance from organizers for proper evacuation measures from the arena and also proper medical care facilities at the event site. Spread awareness publicly to make people understand and respect animal rights. And most of all, educational reforms to teach compassion for animals and nature for the sake of human survival and to understand the value of ecosystem and its importance. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more updates and readings, reach to the site mentioned here or in the description below.